In this video, we're going to tell you the top 5 best apartment dog breeds. These are dogs that are going to be great for small spaces. When it comes to an apartment, you want a dog that's relatively small, low maintenance, and doesn't bark a lot. You don't want a dog that's making a lot of noise around a bunch of other people, so these dogs are perfect for small spaces. You also want a dog that has relatively low energy and one that doesn't need a big yard or a big house to run around in all day long. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We make dog videos to educate you and entertain you. So please consider hitting that subscribe button. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1, and rising amongst the ranks of most popular dogs, is the Cavapoo. This is a Cavalier King Charles mixed with a poodle. So you're going to get a smart, sturdy dog that doesn't shed, and this dog is going to be loving and one that wants to be around you and the family just about at all times. Cavapoos are loving, smart dogs that can be trained very easily. Because of the poodle smartness, you can teach this dog how to behave within an apartment. And typically this dog is anywhere from 20 to 30 pounds, which is perfect because they're big and sturdy enough not to hurt or damage, but they're also not very big to cause a bunch of noise for your neighbors. This is a great pick if you live in a small house with a small yard or an apartment. The Cavapoo is a great choice for you and your family. Number 2 is another poodle mix. It's the Yorkipoo. This is a Yorkshire Terrier mixed with a poodle. Again, the size is going to be important here as this dog is anywhere from 10 to 30 pounds. But again, they're small but sturdy and a dog that you can have fun with but also goes really well in an apartment. And the poodle side and the poodle mix makes this dog a non-shedder. So that's great as well because you won't have to pick up all the hair around your apartment, on your couch, and on your clothes. And this dog is loving and smart, once again thanks to the poodle. So this dog will make a perfect dog for small places and apartments. The next dog is the French Bulldog. This is a perfect dog for a couple of reasons. Number 1, it's small. Number 2, it likes to cuddle. And number 3, this dog is not going to bark a lot. It will bark and alert you when someone's at the door, but otherwise you don't have to worry about this dog randomly barking too much. This dog is easily trained and easily worn out, so when you get home from work, you can take them out to the yard, run around a little bit, and they'll be good for the night. Because they just want to play for a little bit and then hang out with you and watch a little TV. Number 4 is the Basset Hound. This is a perfect dog for any small house or apartment. This dog just wants to be around you, be a little lazy, and take it easy. They do still need a little bit of exercise, but they'll wear out pretty quick and they want to go back inside and take it easy. This dog will bark a little more than the other dogs we've already mentioned, but still shouldn't be a problem as they're friendly, fun, and loving dog that wants to chill with you and just be by you at all times. And lastly, the Bichon Frise, another dog that's going to be the perfect size and a low shedder. This dog has a sweet, humble nature, and their temperament is one that's loving and friendly. They're easily trained, lovable, and low shedders. And another plus to this dog, it's not a big barker, so you don't have to worry about your neighbors getting upset with you inside the apartment. The Bichon Frise is a world famous dog because of its beautiful looks and how you can trim them up in just about any way you want to, from a puppy cut to longer hair. They're perfect, fun, and they want to be around you. You'll enjoy having them around the apartment and with your family. We hope you've enjoyed this video of checking out these 5 dogs, and while they're perfect for apartment or small space living, we'll see you on the next video.